Hello guys, I'll show you how to apply a glass screen protector on my iPad Pro. So at first what I did, I sprayed with this glass cleaner first. So if there is any dust, it will help me to take it off. You see I have this fiber cloth. I'll just now whip it out. You see all dust are going off the screen. I don't want any dust to stay on the screen. So after that, you can see this is my glass protector. These are the glasses. But before applying that, I think there is one thing. I can put this one here so that the glass will be fixed in a good way. So before that, I'll just clean one more with these wipes. I'll use only dry wipe this time because I already sprayed the dust cleaner or the glass cleaner. So, or I can open. Okay. So if you buy any glass protector, they will provide you one wet dry and one wet cleaner. So actually they have given me 6, though I bought 2 pieces of glass protector. So, and they have also, these are some cloth made out of fiber to clean the glass if there's anything remaining. So let me do it with this one. I think I don't need to clean it anymore with the wipes. So I can see this is completely clean and very nice. There is no dust at all. So after that, you have to apply this one. So now this is the glass. You can see this is the glass. You have to find out which way you have to apply. So here you can see this one, it doesn't open from that side, it opens from this side. So this is the surface that you have to apply on the screen. Yes, now you can see it is going through in a nice way, and just you can apply some pressure. They will provide you something like this. It has a soft end. If there are some minor air bubbles, it does not it will not make any trouble. Just try to move it down. Oh, I think there is a small foreign particle here. This is okay. There is a small dust. I cannot take it out this time. we can clean this. Yes, now it is gone. Sometimes this small tiny dust are not visible and they can destroy the whole process. So anyway, I removed it by taking it off from the screen, and I hope this time it will be okay. Yeah, so this time it is fine. There is no air bubble, nothing. And this is the way how to apply this glass protector. Guys, now I'll show you how to apply this camera protector. You see, first I have to clean this camera area with this you can see this anti-static screen cleaning solution. So just one spray is enough, I think, and we have to clean it with the fiber cloth. So as you can understand, the fiber cloth does not cause any abrasion, or it does not leave any particles over there. So you can see this is the camera protector made out of glass. So I have to take it off simply from here, and just need to gently apply over the glass. There are holes over this glass protector, this camera protector. So you have to fit it exactly in right spot, and just apply gentle pressure. So I think I need to move it slightly up. Guys, do not hesitate. If you need to move, just take it off and reapply it. Yeah, now it is perfectly fit. You can see there is no air bubble or anything. I'll just apply gentle pressure here with this. Yeah, and that's it. So you can see my camera lens is protected. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Thank you so much.